The term curriculum is a dash word meaning the course of a career trace. French, Latin, English, German. Correct answer is Latin. There are dash key elements of curriculum development. 4, 5, 7, 9. The correct answer is 7. The society, the knowledge, the learner, the learning process are four main factors of situation analysis, formulation of objectives, selection of contents and scope, evaluation. The correct answer is situational analysis. Demand of the society, international needs, level and age of the learner or student, methods of content organization, quantity and qualification of teaching staff are some of the factors of A. Situational analysis, formulation of objectives, selection of contents and scope, evaluation. The correct answer is situational analysis. According to Angel Sam, dash is a plan for learning, whereas dash is a process of perfecting the personality. Curriculum, education, book, content, education, curriculum, syllabi, evaluation. The correct answer is education, curriculum. Syllabi must satisfy the following condition except based on the needs of the learner. Content should be focused on attaining the objectives. Subject expert take into account the existing knowledge and the environmental experience of the learner. The correct answer is C. Subject expert. Collaborative learning, discussions and debates, interactive sessions, loud reading and storytelling are some of the categories of classroom interaction, curriculum development, teaching methodology, aim of the curriculum. The correct answer is B. Teaching methodology. It is the responsibility of the dash to create a learning atmosphere inside the classroom. Teacher, learners, institution, administration, parents of the learners. The correct answer is A. Teacher. In different communication ways, dash means anything that a teacher or student speaks aloud. Verbal, non-verbal, written communication, none of these. The correct answer is A. Verbal. Instead of telling a student to stop talking, a teacher could use method by moving toward the disruptive student's desk so that he/she stop talking. Verbal, non-verbal, written communication, none of these. The correct answer is non-verbal. The following are the factors affecting communication except status, culture difference, use of language, curriculum. The correct answer is curriculum. Inappropriate punctuation also change meaning of the sentence, which affects the communication. For example, woman without her man is nothing, or woman without her man is nothing. This is an example of status, cultural difference, use of language, curriculum. Use of language. Charts, pictures, photographs, maps, diagrams, and drawings are some of the examples of 3D course material, 2D course material, ID course material, verbal communication. 2D course material. Summative evaluation occurs in the dash of a program cycle, middle, end, start, during the class. End. The following are some of the examples of formative assessment except 1 minute paper, mid-semester evaluation, end-term evaluation, direct paraphrase. The correct answer is end-term evaluation. The dictionary meaning of dash is consistency, dependence or trust, reliability, validity, objectivity. The correct answer is reliability. Which of the following methods determining reliability coefficient except test, retest method, equivalent forms, split half method, midterm evaluation. The correct answer is midterm evaluation. Dash means truthfulness of a test. Reliability, validity, objectivity. The correct answer is validity. Unclear directions to the students, difficulty of the reading vocabulary, too easy or too difficult test items, length of the test is too short, or some of the factors affecting. Reliability, validity, objectivity. The correct answer is validity. Educational administration covers all forms of education except formal education, general education, non-formal education, and adult education. Classroom management. The correct answer is classroom management.